How's it going, everybody? I'm the BTC Reaper. My goal on this channel is to teach you how to reap the rewards of trading, whether price is going up or down. Shib Inu burn rate spikes 1,364% as the following happened. Recently published by the Shib burn tracking platform, data shows over the last 24 hours, the army of the second most popular canine cryptocurrency has soared by over 1,364%, a total of 9,607,635 Shiba Inu was sent to an unspendable wallet out of circulation for good. On Friday, the Shib burn rate was below zero and less than 1 million Shiba Inu tokens were moved to infernal addresses. Twitter on Cairo's Shib Army JPN has shared a screenshot of Telegram chat with the lead developer of the Shiba Inu team, known as Satoshi Kusama, on social media. In the media message screenshot, the pseudonymous developer commented on the lack of news about the launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 protocol. While the compliment was that Shibarium news is awfully quiet, Satoshi simply responded temporarily. Of course, it's all in Japanese except for that part. Earlier this year, Satoshi Kusama dropped a hint that the Layer 2 protocol may be released either on February 10th or February 14th. The first day is Flute Day in Japan and the second is Valentine's Day. In January, Satoshi added a text to his bio section which mentioned learning to play the flute and preparing to present Shibarium in a heart-shaped box. The community immediately decided that the developer was hinting at February 14th. What happened on February 10th yesterday, now the Shib Army's expectations are focused on Valentine's Day, or nothing happened. Two-thirds of millennials view Bitcoin as safe haven. 67% of surveyed millennials consider BTC a safe haven due to its decentralized nature and fixed supply cap. The primary cryptocurrency is a vital investment instrument for millennials as it offers financial freedom and allows them to diversify in times of economic uncertainty. Those born between 1981 and 1996 are more open to digital innovations and more likely to deal with BTC than Generation X and baby boomers. Older individuals remain predominantly conservative by sticking to fiat currencies and expressing skepticism toward the crypto sector. Most millennials that participate in the survey believe Bitcoin will go mainstream in the following years. They also see it as a better monetary tool than the dollar, euro, or other national currency. Another study conducted in 2021 showed that nearly 50% of millennial millionaires had invested at least a quarter of their wealth in cryptocurrencies. An Alto survey from last summer revealed that 40% of millennials are hodlers. They view crypto as a more appealing investment tool than mutual funds. Reddit has given away 1 million Super Bowl NFTs on Polygon. Reddit's collectible avatars as a project is a prime example of an effective Web3 on-ramp, as the discussion platform has delivered millions of free NFTs to users in recent months. Thanks to a new collaboration with the NFL on free Super Bowl NFTs, Reddit is about to hit another major milestone. About 1.3 million of the official Super Bowl NFT avatars have been minted since Monday's launch, including more than 500,000 on Tuesday alone. Users have now minted nearly 10 million of Reddit's collectible avatar NFTs to date, according to public blockchain data on Dune, currently topping 9.7 million in total. The Super Bowl avatars were offered free to all Reddit users who claim one of 4 unique avatar styles, including those for Kansas City Chiefs and Philadelphia Eagles, through the Reddit platform at no cost. Because they're free avatars, Reddit's Super Bowl NFTs aren't generating a lot of trading action. Secondary market prices start at 0.18 Matic or 23 cents on top NFT marketplace OpenSea, and the platform has only transacted about 5 ETH or $7,600 worth of trades for the NFL collection since its launch. So now into the charts. Don't know why they open like that. So we did break down from our double top that we had, and now we are forming an ascending triangle. This ascending triangle is a bullish pattern that could take us up. It could take us up about 2.23% to around 2.2K. Our stochastic is pretty high, suggesting the RSI does have strength again, and you can see the RSI is picking up. Our money flow is starting to pick up as well, and our VWAP is staying above the neutral line. Our momentum wave is sort of starting to curl though, so that's a little bit of a bearish sign. Same with the RSI. We may just get a cool off and then come back up though, as we could come back, touch support, and then come back up for a breakout. If we look over at the 15 minute, our money flow is staying pretty consistently high. Our VWAP did break bearish, however it's not too strong. If we do manage to curl back up, we could get a retest. We do have a bearish divergence on the 15 minute, so we might see a small little play out and then a bounce. If we look how the daily played out, we did get a bullish engulfing candle from today's candle close, so that is a bullish sign. A bullish engulfing candle is a big green candle that is bigger than the previous red bodied candle. Kind of like this is a bearish engulfing candle here because we have a big red candle and it's bigger or as big as this green candle. So that's a signal that we could have had a downtrend. So this is some sort of a signal that we could get a little bit of an uptrend. If we look on the daily, our momentum wave is starting to curl. Our VWAP is starting to come up, so those are bullish signs. We'll want to see our money flow start to come up as well as our stochastic and RSI. If we look at the 4 hour, our stochastic's pretty strong right now and our RSI is above the neutral zone, so on the 4 hour we are getting a little bit more bullish momentum. And our momentum wave is starting to pick up, however our money flow is kind of going down. So we'll want to see the money flow pick up on the 4 hour and that VWAP pick up continue onto the daily as well as the stochastic and RSI. If we look over at XRP, we are still continuing along our breakdown of this triangle. We're kind of making a bear flag here, so we could break down from that. Draw quick for you. So that could continue us down to halfway to our breaking point, our initial breaking point from this descending triangle that we had. Our momentum wave is starting to curl though, and our VWAP is coming up. Our money flow is sort of starting to come up, but our stochastic wants to make a bullish cross. So we're getting some bullish signals here that may invalidate this bear flag, and if we were able to see Bitcoin pick up, we may start to pick up from here on XRP and our altcoins as well. Algo is getting a red X as we did come back into our descending or our ascending triangle, but the red X is a bearish pattern. We'll have to see if our bearish signal, we'll have to see if that does confirm tomorrow as it is on tomorrow's candle. Our VWAP is trying to curl up. Our stochastic is falling pretty hard as well as our momentum wave, so those are some bearish signs. On the 4 hour, our stochastic's coming up pretty strongly, however our money flow is coming out pretty quickly. Our momentum wave is coming up, or our VWAP is coming up, however we could start to see that curl as this money flow continues to fall, and then we would see this momentum wave start to curl most likely as well. If we look at the 2 hour, our momentum wave looks like it could start to curl here already, and we didn't really get too much of a peak above. Our VWAP is pointing down and our money flow is pointing down and our stochastic is pointing down as well, so those are all bearish signs to see. We did manage to break to where our wedge went after just going sort of flat and sidestepping our way, kind of crab walking our way up to it. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you have a wonderful night.